For those of you who do not know about Mynosys or Zepto, which is a capsulotomy device, I'd like to show you a video here. This particular capsule bag was very dangerous. These are the kinds of capsules that physicians have a lot of heart kind of palpitations. But as you can see here, Zepto very quickly, simultaneously, can in fact do a very dangerous capsule and turn it into a very, very easy application. Since I was here last time, I'd like to give you a little bit of update. We have completed our clinical trials. We did it in 80 days, 8 sites, 9 physicians. We have submitted our 510K with this clinical trial in March of this year. We have also done what I call a trial launch in both India, in a low-end market, and also in Germany, in a high-end market. Astoundingly, in February 15th, when I was over there, we had over 200 doctors standing in line wanting to see Zepto. We have completed our funding round, and we expect that that will take us through cash flow positive by year end. And we have a phenomenal application which allows us to center over the visual axis that could never be done in the past. And we also have a potential of a posterior capsulotomy device as well. One of the things that is important about this application is that it allows physicians who have not used the premium lens market to be able to do it and center the lens on the patient's visual axis. And how this is done with any kind of coaxial eyepiece is that the physician closes his non-dominant eye. He aligns with the patient. And once he aligns with the patient on the same light inside the microscope, they're now on the visual axis. They can place the device right center and create a full capsulotomy. This is a video of an actual centration using the Purkinje method to center over the visual axis. Here he is speaking to the patient, asking the patient to look left, look right on the white light in the microscope. And once they have aligned both the physician and the patient intraoperatively, they can be clearly dead center on the visual axis. And as you can see, here it is, perfect alignment. Now here is another unusual situation where I think that as we know, 25% of all cataract surgeries have PCO. Here we have taken our device. It needs to be improved upon, but here we have demonstrated that we can do a posterior capsulotomy right after the procedure of doing a phaco, inserting the lens, inserting the device under the lens, and now doing PCO. Imagine being able to eliminate a side effect like PCO. So what do we have here is Zepto. It's fast, consistent, high quality. It makes the difficult cases easy, and this is what every surgeon wants, and this is why over 200 physicians had lined up, because especially in a third world country, they have a lot of difficult cases. It increases the practice efficiency. It allows physicians now to truly align on the visual axis of the patient, giving many of the multifocal devices much more accuracy. And the device also has the ability to move into a whole new market. How often does that happen? But this one does. And so what you end up with is Zepto cataract surgery. So when we look at what we would like to have in a product, we want to be in a large market. We want to have a clear product need. We want to have customers come to you. We want to have it easy to integrate into the portfolio. You want to have it treat all segments of the population. And think about these things and all of the companies and products that you've looked at, how many of them hit them all. Zepto does. It enhances a current sales of a large number of ophthalmic devices. It pulls customers into the premium lens market and minimal change to physician practice. And when you want to integrate this into a physician practice, you do not want a lot of training time. Market longevity. This product has enormous possibility around the patent application that will keep this product out there for the life of the patent. How many products can last that long today? Little to no competition, and again, the technology leads to another place. So here we are. All of these things Zepto does provide. And as Steve Jobs said here, and this is one of the things that we looked at in the company, this is what we wanted to be able to do. And so finally, Zepto is everywhere. No matter where you go, you're going to see Zepto. Thank you.